This 5-minute solution will show you how to pin a message on WhatsApp. Now on, we can easily pin a message to pin the message at the top of conversation. To do that, first of all, we need to update our WhatsApp app. So go to your App Store or Play Store and search for WhatsApp. And if you see any update available, update the WhatsApp app and launch it. Now go to the conversation where you want to pin a message. Now tap and hold the message that you want to pin. And here you will get this pin option. Just tap on that. And now choose how long your new pin lasts. I'm selecting here 24 hours. And then, as you can see, at the top of this conversation, the message has been pinned. That's how you will be able to pin multiple messages. And to unpin a message, tap and hold the message. Tap on unpin and the message will be unpinned. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.